across southeast Dallas County. So we have a new flash flood warning coming up for portions of Kaufman, Rockwall, Ellis, and Dallas counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.
Here they go.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued flash flood warnings for southeastern Dallas County, northeastern Ellis County, southwestern Hunt County, central Kaufman County, and eastern Rockwall County until 11:45. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across portions of Ellis and Kaufman counties. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain has already fallen. An additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches would cause flash flooding. Flash flood warning means flash flooding is either occurring or imminent. Once again, a flash flood warning has been issued for southeastern Dallas, northeastern Ellis, southwestern Hunt, central Kaufman, and eastern Rockwall counties until 11:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Right now, the heaviest part of the storm is right around Seagoville, Balch Springs, and then moving on up toward Mesquite. Also a very heavy thunderstorm cell right over Lake Lavon, actually, and moving on up, or make that Lake Ray Hubbard, moving up toward Rockwall. And we don't have much bad weather anywhere else in the Metroplex, but it's southeast Dallas County and then portions of Kaufman, Ellis, and Rockwall
Dallas.
until 11:45. As these storms again are kind of creeping back to the north, we'll have to watch these the rest of the night.
There it is.
Live from the WBAP Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Brad Barton.
These stories are making news in the week ahead.
Why is this a mini?
Wow. So, WBAP, let me ask you something. Why, in the name of hell, did you not relay it when it was first issued? What the fuck was that? Oh, you fuckers. Ah, what? Same message 2 times? I did not ask for ads.
Diamonds Direct also has a fantastic selection of Halo, Pave, Vintage, 3 Stone, and other popular